What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, now today I want to stop by and I just want to give you guys a cash play real quick. I was kind of like thinking about should I make this video or should I keep this video? You know what I'm saying? Because I've been kind of holding on to this sauce for a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and give it to y'all because I think y'all deserve it. And I ain't been posting like that. You know what I'm saying? I only posted 2 times in November. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all some sauce. Like always, you feel me? So I just want to make sure you guys know that this video, previous videos, or videos to come is all for educational purposes only. I'm not telling you to do any of these things. Honestly, guys, I just want to see you all win, okay? Life is really easy. It's not as hard as we make it seem to be. We're not physical slaves and things like that. So just make the right decisions, and it's literally easy. You can create your own environment, all right? You can do whatever it is that you like to do. Just make sure you do what you're supposed to do too. Period. It's that simple. All right. So all the procrastinating, thinking about this, that, while you're trying to stay focused, you're wasting time. You could think about that while you're doing it. All right. So I'm going to come to you guys more and more. Hey, also, let me know in the comment section if y'all want me to do like a story time or, you know, y'all want to get kind of more intimate, because I just come here to talk about finances. You feel me? I ain't talking about nothing else. I'm trying to talk about that bag. All right. But I understand some people want to know a little bit more. Some people want this, blah, blah, blah. So I think that it's important to give y'all a better perspective or a greater perspective on how I think, because I'm really a lot different from most people. And I think that could actually help with learning. And, you know, sometimes especially me, myself, I'm very different. So I don't really, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people I don't relate to, you know what I'm saying? So it'd be kind of cool to, you know, if you can look at these videos, you're like, oh, dang, you know, I relate to bro. You know what I'm saying? Because I know that feeling, you feel me? And it can also help you kind of get things going. All right. Now, what you want to do is on this play, it's an easy 5. All right, easy. Okay, so let's say you have a business, you know, a bum, or you know, fucking somebody who you know ain't gonna run no business. Not you don't think, somebody that you know ain't gonna run no business, right? Let's say you have a business or they have a business, okay? Now, as you all know, when you have a business, you have to open up your LLC, articles of organization. You can do it through Better Legal. You can do it through Legal Zoom. You can do it through your state, right? It's various ways to do it. It just depends on your style and how you want to do it. All right. So if you have a business, okay, and you want to run this play, sorry, I had a brain fart. You want to run this play. All you have to do is have your LLC, okay? Now, you need to go and get your bank debit card for your business, okay? So choose a bank. You all know I love credit unions. You can use a big bank for this play. I love credit unions personally because they usually give you more money. It just depends on if you want to do other things with this LLC. But I like credit unions, okay? So open up a bank account. You have your business debit card and you also have your business, okay? As easy and as simple as put, you can go under your business, sign up for Coinbase, okay? Sign up for Coinbase, make an account, all that good stuff, all right? Also, create a Cash App for your business, okay? Now, what you want to do is, once you have your Cash App, once you have your business, once you have your debit card, and then you have your Cash App, okay? You want to wait 1 week after you do this stuff, okay? You wait 1 week. Now, open up your Cash App, okay? Under your business, right? Open up your Cash App. I want you to buy $4,900 worth of Bitcoin, okay? Buy $4,900 worth of Bitcoin. Now, you could buy 5,000, but I'm the kind of person that's things change, all right? And I'm highly aware of that. Things change, limits change, and things like that. So I'm gonna tell you all 4,900 because if anything were to change, I want you to still be able to be approved, okay? And they literally do little stuff like that. They literally do little stuff like that. If they want to change something, they will say, okay, we'll make the limit instead of, everybody's gonna put in 5,000, right? Duh, because that's like really like your limit, your max. But how many people are gonna put in 4,900? Like, not a lot of people. But if you play with different things like that, you'll find that, they'll make small adjustments due to what you're going to probably do. You know what I'm saying? Because if somebody get declined 5,000, or they're like, oh no, we can't submit this for 5,000, but they will be able to do it for 4,900, you can probably go from 5,000 to 2,500 or something, right? Something crazy just to see. Okay, and they understand that. So do 4,900. All right, if you got big, kahookas, do 5,000. Either way, I think it'll go through. But just for longevity purposes, it's December. Next year's coming. Blah blah blah. All right. So add $5,000 worth of Bitcoin to your Cash App. Okay, or from your Cash App. All right. Y'all know Bitcoin it's on Cash App. Okay, on your Cash App under the business, buy $5,000 worth of Bitcoin, $4,900 worth of Bitcoin, and send it to your wallet that you made for boom, right? That's an easy $4,000 or $5,000. All right, it's easy. Now, when a lot of you guys hit me up, I tell you guys, like, hey, you want to make this or you want to make this? You want to make this? Because it's all going to depend on what you're trying to do. I like to get simple and straight to the point. I don't need a huge backstory and things like that. Tell me if you have any negatives on your credit. If you do, cool. If you don't, there's still ways. All right. Just give me the blueprint, because I talk to a lot of people a day. Just give me the blueprint so I can hurry up and deliver what you need. Whether if you want to buy something from me and say, hey man, I want to buy this course from you. This course is $2,500, but I really need $5,000 real quick. I'm going to make you pay me. You know what I'm saying? But you got to understand, it makes sense to pay somebody $500 to make them $5,000. You're still walking away with profit. You feel me? Now, if you have a trust issue or things like that, because I understand we're on the freaking internet, for Christ's sake, right? So I understand everybody not a stand-up guy, right? Cool. But build your confidence up first. If you think that staying wherever you're going to be is more important than you taking a risk, or is more important than some little cash that you think is yours anyway, trust me, it's not, guys. It's not. All right. So put your better head on. All right. Make sure everything makes sense. The way to make a lot of money is to really not care about money, but you have to care about money. But don't care about money, because you can't do anything with it anyway. I'm telling you, you can't do it with it. You can't do anything. All right. So like I said, you open up a business. Okay. Find you somebody or yourself. You open up that business. Okay. Get a business bank account. Okay. Get a Cash App. Open up Coinbase if you don't have one. Open up a Coinbase account, something like that. Very simple, where you can receive money. After a week, go on that Cash App on that business. Buy some Bitcoin. All right. For $5,000 worth of Bitcoin. Send it to your wallet. Okay. Send it to your wallet. You have $5,000. Literally that easy in your pocket. All right. So, like I say, man, join my OnlyFans. Contact me for more sauce, whatever it is: personal credit, business credit, age corp, life insurance, money plays, partnerships, my master class, which is literally going to give you every single thing that you need. You're going to be like my second brain. All right. So all blueprints you're going to have access to, the whole breakdown you're going to have access to, of course, free for the OnlyFans, things like that. Right. And I'm figuring out what I'm going to be doing for the next year that's going to bring everybody together in the best way possible. Y'all know I like to try different things, and I like to reach you all in just various ways. You know what I'm saying? I really don't, or I'm not familiar too much with like internet and things like that. So I really just try to figure out like what works the best, what fits me the best, what's better for y'all to learn with, and things like that. All right, so it's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video, man. I hope you guys benefit from it. If not, hit me up for more sauce, man. Or also share some sauce with me, bro, because I love the sauce. I need some sauce too. All right, so drop them comments below too. Oh, ho. Y'all got me to 30K. Y'all got me to 30K subscribers just that quick. I just made a video about having 25,000 followers, all right? Or 20,000. One of them hitting that $25,000 mark. Y'all got me to 30K, man. I got 5,000 subscribers real quick, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm going to keep dropping for y'all, man. So I'm going to, the first 3 people, okay? I'm at 30,000. The first 3 people who comment on this video, contact the number in the description because you all are gonna get a free consultation, all right? So I'm gonna already know who just dropped comments just soon as they open up the video and who actually watched the video and seen this comment, all right? So if you see this comment, drop them comments below, man. You can say anything, but I'm definitely keeping an eye on you all, and I wanna keep going with these consultation calls and free consultation calls and things like that because it helps you all and it also helps me. Love talking to y'all. Love meeting new people, man. It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. I'm out.